Hello, ladies, and welcome back to week 2 of Getting Our Shit Together. I'm Holly Oliva, and this is me doing my makeup while I chat to you really quick and give you a quick introduction. We're getting our shit together this week. We're losing the weight. We're easing into this new lifestyle so that we don't quit. Let's go. This day, I wanted a breakfast. I'm not really a breakfast person, but I need to be, so I had a piece of avocado toast, fruit, a little mocktail, and I'm going to show you how to make it right now. We used a squeeze of lemon, tossed that bitch right in the cup. Then we added some pomegranate arrows and some coconut water. It is delicious, okay? And I don't want to hear nothing about no sugar because you could be eating at McDonald's, but you're not.
Won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of black.
Honestly, I was still full from breakfast, so this was like my little fake lunch. Little protein, little fruit, little cheese, little healthy carbs. The crackers are Crunch Master. They're delicious. And then for dinner, I made the most amazing shrimp tacos. Did I use a little bit of butter? Yes. Did I use a lot of seasoning? Yes. But there's nothing in the rule books that say your food has to be bland for it to be healthy. Okay? Nowhere does it say that. Nowhere. So we're going to shake it like it owes us money, and then we're going to give it a massage. I don't know why. And this sauce that I made, I put the recipe down below. Actually, it's a sriracha aioli, but I used plain fat-free Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise, and it's to die for, bitch. And vegetables, of course. You can't have a single meal without some kind of vegetable, you guys. See, there's my little bit of butter and tortillas and my shrimp that I'm frying up. And if you don't warm your tortillas, then you're dead wrong. I know it looks ghetto, but warm them like this. Little bit of olive oil sprayed on the tin foil, and you just put it on low, and boom. And then this is how I plated our food. It was so good. A little bit of carbs because you need them to live. Some shrimp for the protein. Some fresh veggies for crunch and nutrients. I ate 2. My son had 3. My husband had 4. They were to die for. Another day, another green juice, and I got a super cool package. I ordered this walking pad on sale for $140 off of $250. And let me tell you, I was a walking fool this week. I sure was. Then I had a little snack, and this is just an example of one of the snacks that I had this week. A little bit of fruit with some string cheese. And then I marinated some chicken. And then I grilled that chicken, and I made a little bit of white rice with fresh vegetables on top and avocado with a little bit of balsamic glaze and the chicken off the grill. And I know I don't really like canned green beans that much, but that's what I had today, so that's what I made.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss. See, I got my mind on the facts, I'm a python, grab what I like real fast. Choke until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see, matter of fact.
Cause I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it.
And we're not eating boring salads over here. You should never accept a boring salad, bitch. We need vegetables, we need nutrients. We're not eating boiled chicken and lettuce like our moms did in the 90s. Okay? Never accept a plain, nasty salad. Look how good this salad looks. Just look at it. Watch. Look at that. Nutrient dense and delicious. I made myself another mocktail. And then this is the dinner that my husband made. It was really, really good. And I wanted something sweet, so I had these, but I only like them if they're frozen. I feel like they're mushy if they're not. And here's a little rant. I think I just figured out why I've been saying no to a lot of things. I went to get dressed and literally none of my jeans fit, so it's like squeezing all of my like belly fat. I don't know. I just had to change my outfit like 3 times. Going out to eat Korean food with my sister-in-law. I hate using the word cheat day. Okay, we'll say this instead. Today I'm feeding my soul. Not gonna go too crazy. Like, they have Korean hot dogs there, which I love, but I'm not gonna get a Korean hot dog. It's like supposedly Korean street food, which my sister-in-law is from South Korea and I lived in South Korea for a year, so hopefully they live up to our expectations. Anyways, can't fit into any of my jeans. This is like mostly what kicked it off for me. Like, anytime I wear any of the clothing that I currently own, I'm physically uncomfortable. I grew up poor. I'm not just gonna throw clothes away because I gained weight. I can just make myself smaller. It sucks too because I was like really feeling good about myself until I put the jeans on. Honestly, if it was with anyone else, I would cancel because I just feel that shitty right now about how I look and how I feel, which sucks because I was pretty confident all week long. But I was also wearing lounge clothes. And I know, like, I used to be in shape, so this isn't, I know how it works. I know that 1 week is not going to change 8 months of fucking bad habits. But yeah, let's go. Let's go to lunch. I'm going to take you guys with me to show you what I ate because that's part of the series, being accountable. I headed into Tampa to grab some cocktails with my sister-in-law and her best friend. And then it was so cute, the ashtrays at the place in Ybor had my last name on them. What? Here we are, rooftop in Ybor. I love Tampa sometimes. And then we went to a Korean place, got some food, and then I went back home. And on Sunday, I spent the entire day grilling meats for the week, just for lunches. I like to eat dinner fresh. And then I had some drinks with my husband. Don't forget, ladies, we're easing ourselves into this lifestyle so that we stick to it. It has to be a lifestyle, okay? There's nothing wrong with enjoying a meal. Stop calling it a cheat meal. And I'll see you on Thursday at 4 for a check-in.